If you're left-handed and want crochet to finally make sense, I'd love to help you. Hi, it's Sandy from Southpaw Crochet Studio. I struggled to learn how to crochet until a left-handed cousin showed me how. That was over 50 years ago, and I've been crocheting ever since. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to hold your hook and 3 ways that you can hold your yarn. If you're ready to learn, grab a hook and some yarn, and let's get started. Let's start with holding the hook. The first way is to hold it like a pencil. The end of the crochet hook is on top of your hand. Loosely grip the hook with your thumb and index finger. The second way is to hold the crochet hook like a knife. You're still going to grip the hook with your thumb and index finger, but the end of the hook is within your palm. Try both ways and choose the way that feels most comfortable to you. There are several ways to hold the yarn. I'm going to show you 3 of them. The first way is to simply hold the yarn between your index and middle fingers, squeezing the fingers together to control the tension. Tension refers to how tightly or loosely you hold the yarn, which determines the tightness, size, and consistency of your stitches. For the second way, with your palm facing you, place the yarn between your ring and little fingers, wrap the yarn around your little finger, then bring the yarn across your palm and around your index finger. The little finger controls the tension, and the index finger feeds the yarn. The third way starts the same as the previous way. With your palm facing you, place the yarn between your ring and little fingers, wrap the yarn around your little finger, then take it behind your ring finger, in front of your middle finger, then behind and over your index finger. Now your little finger and your middle finger are controlling the tension. As with holding the hook, there is no right or wrong way. Hold the yarn the way it feels most comfortable to you. It may be one of the ways I've shown you, or a completely different way that you have come up with. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, a thumbs up lets YouTube know it's useful to other left-handed crocheters. And if you'd like more clear left-handed tutorials, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss a new video.